الحمد لله الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good evening everyone. My name is Miran Mazhar and I am a student of Madrasa Arshadul Uloom Chhatarbar. Today I am going to speak about one of the most powerful weapon in the world, education. Education is not just about reading book or passing exam. It is a light just like it. It is a light that removes the darkness of ignorance. It gives us knowledge, wisdom, ability to think for ourselves. As our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Talabul ilmi fariidatun ala kulli Muslim." Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim, male and female. Education builds our character, shape our personality, and make us better human beings. It tells us how to live a balanced life, not only for ourselves, but the betterment for the society, betterment for the district, betterment for the Chhatarbar, betterment for the Jharkhand, betterment for the state, betterment for the country, betterment for the world. Friend, think the difference about between literate and illiterate person. The literate person can read, write, speak and understand the word. But an illiterate person unfortunately remains limited. That's why education is a key that opens the door of success and freedom. Education also teaches good manners, respect, discipline and moral values. It tells us how to live a balanced life. A well-educated person helps others, respect elders and serve the nation. Let us also remember that the true education is not what we learn in the book. It is also about that what we learn from the life. Honesty, kindness, patience, emotions, feelings. Our teacher and parents work very hard to give us this opportunity. We should value their efforts and make full use of the time what we have. In conclusion, remember these golden words by the Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the whole world.